Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Naomi and I post artistic and creative content every week. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. For my regular viewers, I have noticed that around 36% of you guys do watch my videos all the time but are not subscribed. So please subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I will be sharing with you guys how I made this polymer clay tile coaster, and it's quite fun to make, and I would say it takes a little bit of work, but the end result is worth it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Also be sure to watch the video till the end because I will be sharing some very important tips for this DIY. Okay, so I bought this polymer clay set from Amazon. The link is in the description box below, and it came with 25 different color polymer cakes, a project booklet, some tools and some accessories. So I'm going to be using these 3 different shades of blue. To start off, I'm going to be conditioning the clay by rolling it around with my fingers and softening it. I want a nice shaded look for my piece, so I'm going to shape these clay pieces into teardrops, tapering at one end and round at the other. This is very crucial if you want to get a seamless shaded look. This is called as skinner blending. Usually this is done using a pasta machine, but since I don't have one, I'm just using a fondant roller. So what you need to do is fold the clay over itself till you get a blended look. Then I'm going to roll it out into a long thin strip and start folding, as you can see here. After folding, just work it around with your hands till you get like a solid blended piece. So I followed the same steps for the yellow and orange clay as well. So to make the design, I cut off about 1/3 of the blue piece and rolled it out. For the yellow piece, I cut 2/3 and rolled it out as well. Then I divided the strips into 3 equal parts, laid the orange strips on the blue ones, and then stacked them on top of each other. I then molded it into a triangular shape. I molded the remaining blue clay into a petal shape. I then cut it in half and positioned them, as you can see. I added the remaining yellow clay piece to it as well. Then I took the triangular piece I did earlier, cut the excess and laid it on top as shown. I molded the entire thing into a triangle again, stretching and elongating the piece as I go. Once I was happy with the length, I cut it in half, and as you can see, you can stick this whatever way you want. It will give you a completely different result every time. I started reshaping this into a square and then I cut it again and stuck it. And basically repeated the same steps again. Then just elongate it till you are happy with the size and start cutting out the squares. For my first tile coaster, I just placed it on a piece of scrap tile and then baked it, whereas for the second one, I sandwiched it between two tile pieces. Now the one on the left was baked at 110 centigrade for about 45 minutes and the one on the right at 120 degrees centigrade for 25 minutes. Now as you can see, the one on the left has slight discoloration as it was exposed on the top and also because it was baked for a long time, whereas the one on the right was sandwiched between two tiles, so it baked evenly with less discoloration. So keep this in mind when you are baking your project. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also go check out my last video, which is here, and my other video, which is here. And I'll see you guys next time.